Hello all. We are Binge Watchers presents you one of the most popular actors of South Korean entertainment industry, Kim So Hyun. Now let's check some basic details about the actor. Birthday February 16, 1988. Sun sign Aquarius. Born in Seoul, South Korea. Height 5'11". Throughout his career, Kim has starred in various TV dramas and movies. Few of his dramas that we think worth watching are as follows. My Love from the Star is a South Korean romantic fantasy drama aired in 2013. The drama is about an alien played by Kim who landed on Earth in Joseon Dynasty, and 400 years later, he falls in love with the top actress in the modern era. Kim experienced explosive growth in popularity throughout Asia with the success of this drama. Moon Embracing the Sun is an historical fantasy drama that tells about secret, poignant love story between a fictional king of Joseon Dynasty, played by Kim, and a female shaman. Drama also shows the conflicts and conspiracy of vying political powers. Dream High is about 6 students at Kirin High School who share dreams of becoming K-pop idols. Each of them has their own strengths and weaknesses, but they strive to debut with the support and guidance of one another. The drama was popular among teenagers and gained huge viewership ratings. Kim starred in variety drama The Producers, written by the same writer as of My Love from the Star. The drama drew solid ratings domestically and was sold to many other international channels. Kim won several awards for his acting for this drama. Apart from these dramas, Kim's current ongoing drama It's Okay Not to Be Okay has been declared a huge hit both on TV and on Netflix. If you haven't started watching this yet, please do watch. It's very entertaining. Now coming to Kim's movies, few of his movies that were a huge hit are The Thieves and Secretly Greatly. Kim enlisted as an active duty soldier and began his mandatory military service on October 23, 2017 and was discharged on July 1, 2019.